Hey guys, Lauren here from the Mellow Vapes in Statesville, and I have a new product to introduce to you guys today. So a lot of you were familiar with the stick style mods that were really popular. Vaping has come a long way and gone back again, and now Freemax has put out another stick style mod that I think blows the older ones out of the water. If you owned a stick vape a year and a half ago from any other brand, I promise it's different. This is a truck of a vape. These things hit at about 40, 60, or 80 watts, depending on the setting that you put it on. There are different tanks instead of coils available. So you actually will replace this entire piece right here. So this is a nifty new idea from the vaping community. Several different companies have done that, but instead of replacing your coil inside of your tanks, you're just replacing the whole thing, and it's no more expensive. You just take the tank off, chuck it away, put a new one on, fill it up. There's a couple different tanks inside the starter kit, and then of course available for purchase to replace the ones that you've vaped through. It has an alternating wattage. For 3 clicks, you can change between 40, 60, and 80 watts to get the hit that you need. And all of the tanks, I believe, are compatible with all of the settings, so you don't have to worry about putting it on the wrong thing. You just grab the one that you like, pop it on top, fill it up with juice, and you're ready to rock. These guys have a 2900 mAh battery. That is actually incredible. Especially if you're keeping it, 40, 60, even 80 watts. This thing should last you all day long, if not all night too. Overall, we've been extremely impressed by things that Freemax have done in the past. I personally have used their coils. Great quality, so I don't have any reason to think that they will not follow suit. This is an awesome gem of a vape, the Freemax Gemm. Come and check it out, guys. See you soon.